Assalamu alaikum everyone. Now I will talk about what should our relationship with the Holy Quran be like. First of all, I would like to ask you a question. If Allah Almighty were to ask us today, what kind of relationship with the Holy Quran did you have? Did you have the book I revealed for you? What answer would you give? Today, we have the Holy Quran in our homes. We have the Holy Quran in our shelves. But many of us don't have the Holy Quran in our lives. We spend hours and hours on our mobile phones, but we cannot find a few minutes each day to read the Holy Quran. Brothers, the Quran is not an ordinary book. It is the word of Allah. It is the guide for our lives. When we are in sorrow, the Quran comforts us. When we lost our way, the Quran shows us the right way. When we become weak, the Quran gives us strength. A successful Muslim is not the one who simply possesses a lot of wealth. Truly successful Muslim is the one whose heart has a strong connection with the Holy Quran. Therefore, let us ask ourselves, when was the last time we recited it? When was the last time we understand it? When was the last time we implemented any of its teaching in our lives? Brothers, everything in this world will leave us one day, but the Quran is a companion that will be benefits us in this world, in this griefs, and it will, inshallah, it will even intercede on our behalf. So let us make a commitment today. We will read at least a few pages of the Holy Quran every day. Remember, Allah honors the nation who holds from the Quran, and Allah honors the nation that away from the Quran they become humiliated and weak. So may Allah Almighty grant us all the ability to become people of the Quran, to recite it, to understand it, and to act upon it in our lives. Let us all say Ameen.